Gentlemen, divagante here. I'm doing a quick video to answer a question by retarded Mario 1 regarding custom textures, and first of all I'm going to explain what a custom texture is. Well, this is my Half-Life directory. This is the installation directory for Half-Life where I installed Half-Life, which is HLOps, and inside I have the Valve folder, which is the Half-Life mod directory. For example, for Counter-Strike it would be a folder named Strike. For Dot it should be a folder named Dot, etc. And each mod folder has the own game textures, the textures that come with the game. But if in your map you use textures that don't come with the game, you have to also put these textures in the game. I just delete it because it's my second attempt to make this tutorial. I'm doing this all over again. So this is a custom texture pack. This is a texture that doesn't come with Half-Life, and I'm going to make a quick map with it. I'm going to load my texture, pretend there was nothing there. I'm going to load the random, apply. When you remove a texture you have to restart your hammer. Well, file new, just going to make a very quick map somewhere around here. I'm going to make a hollow room. That should be enough. All 16. This is an advanced tool I want to explain on the next tutorial. Not now, because if you can't compile your map, you can't do it yet. I'm just making something else around here. Just putting a light in the ceiling. You probably don't know what a light is yet. It's pretty much self-explanatory, but I'm not going to explain it now. If you don't know how to use a light, I'll let you know how to compile it. Well, this is our map, a simple map. And now, first of all, I'm going to save it. And when I do save as, I'm going to name it random. You save it as a project for Hammer. This is not a playable map, this is a file you can edit with Hammer. Imagine this as a... I'm going to explain this. This is just a project. It's nothing playable. In order to make a playable map, you have to compile your map. This is used here in run map. In case you don't know how to use the light, please set red to no. I'm going to set all to normal because I'm using light on this map. I usually check don't run the game because when you run like this it gets a lot of errors, and I prefer to load the game myself. Well, I'm going to compile the map, and by compiling the map you get this log. If you need to copy it, just click here and paste it on a text block or something. And now we made a compiled map that is compiled to this folder under build programs. Place compiled maps in this directory before running the game. My game installation directory, HLOps, mod directory, in this case Half-Life, which is Valve, and maps. Notice that Valve is the mod directory for Half-Life and the game directory for Half-Life. Because, for example, Counter-Strike, Dot, Team Fortress Classic are all mods of Half-Life. Half-Life is the main game and everything else is a mod. So the game is Half-Life and Half-Life is a mod of itself, obviously. And if I go to that folder I compile the map to, you'll see here a map called random. Here we go. Which is this. This is the compiled map, random.bsp. This is a playable map. Everything else is compiling garbage. You can simply erase it and the game will run fine. Now, if I run the game right now, notice it uses custom textures, but I haven't moved the textures yet. I have the textures here for editing and nothing else. If I run the map now, map random.psp, I get this error, could not open random.what. Why? This is a custom texture, it doesn't come with the game. So if you use it in one of your maps, you have to copy it to your mod directory. Here, mod directory. In Half-Life case, agelab/valve in my case, which is here. I'm going to paste it here. Here it is. And if I try the map now, it will run just fine. Because when it loads the map, it is able to load all the textures that the map uses. And the textures must be in the mod directory, which is this. And here you go, our map with our custom changes, textures. I hope this covers all your questions. Thank you for seeing my videos. Thanks to all. I'm divagante. See you next time. Oh, by the way, I'm going to remaster all of my videos, so if you see there's a problem with any of them while I don't remaster them, please let me know and I'll be sure to check those problems when I redo all my videos. Thanks, I'm divagante. Goodbye.